So in this video we're going to build a metal frame for which or brackets from previous videos and or box shelf to fit upon. So for more complex parts you can create a 3D sketch, but for what we're doing today a 2D sketch will suffice. So I'm going to be drawing this on the front plane, and I am going to basically draw out the frame that I want. It's important to remember that the center of this frame is what's important, or the center lines rather. So if I create maybe something a bit like this, and sorry, that should be fine. Smart dimension. So the distance that I want between these would probably be about the 300 mark. That gives us enough room for the box shelf to fit on comfortably. So 300 millimeters, and this is right down the middle, so that automatically constrains. And the height doesn't matter too much. I'm going to set it to 500. Okay, so that's F. Get away. I don't care. Okay, so from there I can use the Weldments tab, if I press the blue arrow there, for a structural member. So I can then choose what type of material I want. So you've got inches and ISO. So inches is the material there is in stock of inches, and ISO is millimeters. So it's up to you which one you want to use there. Inches are still very much used in sheet metal and stock metal parts, so whichever you want to use. The type that I'm going to use is a square tube, and the size is going to be 40 by 40 with a 4mm thickness, so it's going to be a hollow tube. And basically I select a group and I then select the lines going around. Takes a couple of seconds, and as I go around it will do this. Now I do this in kind of a circular motion going all the way around, and you'll notice that it miters the joints for you. It cuts them into 45 degrees. No. And this one down the middle here as well. Okay, so it won't let me do that one down the middle. So if I need to do that one down the middle, I'll create a new group, set that one down the middle, and it will do that. Okay, done. I can then hide that sketch. So that's just a very basic frame. I could, if I wanted, make that more complicated. I could make it a freestanding frame where I've got metal bars coming out here, but this is one that I'm just going to pretend is going to be mounted onto a wall or something like that. So from that we can continue to work. So after that, that's more or less it. You can put on things like a weld bead there, but it doesn't show up too well on a basic laptop like mine, so I won't bother. So that's it. So you can save that as your metal frame. It's also very important to remember that getting that sketch correct is the most difficult part. After that you can do the rest of it fairly simplistically. Okay.